Hello, could you please start Google Chrome for me? Okay, it has done this.
Got
Well,
it, Chrome is up and running. Let me know what you'd like to do next.
okay, could you please start Edge for me? Okay,
Sure thing, I've
done
reopened
this.
Edge for you.
Okay, could you please tell me what was the result of the match between Egypt and Australia?
I'm not sure which match you're referring to. Could you let me know the sport or the date?
Okay, like the last match of the World Cup, it happened like yesterday.
Which World Cup are you referring to, and when did the match take place?
Uh, I think if you search the internet, you will find the answer.
The match ended tied after extra time, then Egypt won 4-2 on penalties.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. With you, Muhammad Ibrahim. Today in this video, we'll be building a complete voice-to-voice agent. This voice-to-voice agent is going to be a complete system that we are going to build like from end to end. It basically will be like a desktop app where we can use this agent or app to control our PC using a voice. We'll be able to like do some sort of stuff like opening Chrome, opening some applications, viewing calendar, and so on. And maybe like exploring, like making folders, exploring like different different directories and different parts of our system. So let's get it started. Firstly, we'll try to understand, like try to like maybe draw something, sketch up something, and then we will be trying to explore with Claude how we can build such an application, what are the requirements, and so on. And then later we'll be using like Claude Fable 5 or maybe Claude Opus to build this entire system. This is gonna be like super fast, maybe super fast. This is what I expect, but who knows? Let's get started. Okay, so basically, what we are saying is that we want to build an application. Uh, as you can see here, I have like Excel open. Let's try to sketch up something. Okay, let me grab this pen. Okay, so we have like this system is gonna be like composed mainly of three components. We have here the STT, speech text. Basically, I'll be like pressing Control plus Windows or something to open this application. Then I'll be like speaking some text, And this speech I'm gonna be like speaking is gonna be transformed to text. So we will have this speech text component like converting our speech, which is like a wave, into some text. So we have text, and then this text will be like fed into some LLM. We might use like some on-prem LLM, like maybe GLM or something. There are a lot of like open source LLMs. We have ChatGPT, which is not open source. We have like maybe ChatGPT alternatives, or open source. We have a lot of open source. We have DeepSeek, we have Llama 3, we have Quen, we have Gemma. We have a lot of open source models. So we'll have this LLM, where we will be feeding this text, and then we will have the LLM understand our text, and then based on this understanding of text, it's gonna have like some tools. Okay, we will give the LLM some tools. We will have a tool for like opening apps or something, opening apps. Maybe a tool for searching the web. Uh, searching the web. We will try to also discover some other important tools that we can give to the LLM to be able to like do some useful tasks. We will see. Okay, so after the LLM have finished like understanding and maybe having an answer to our question or something that we have like spoken in speech, it will have to respond to us, and to be able like the LLM to be able to respond to us, it will need like some sort of a TTS, which is the inverse of this process here. TTS, TTS. TTS basically it stands for text to speech. Okay. Yes, that's it. I think that's it. That's it so far. So we will be having like this complete system where we have like ST going to the LLM, then TTS, and so on. So I guess that's it for this part. Let's go to the next part. So now we have already like sketched this application architecture, the different components. Let's go with like chatting with Claude to understand how to implement such a system. Okay, so I'm gonna be like copying this. I'm gonna take this screenshot and I'm gonna be like putting it here. Okay, and I'm gonna be like explaining to Claude what I want to build. What I want to build. Basically, I don't know. Maybe we can use Opus. We can use Sonnet. It's like any one of them. I think would suffice. So that's not a big deal. So let's explain to Claude what we want to build, and let's get it like giving us like some ideas on how to architect this and how to like build it. Okay, I'm gonna like write this to Claude. I'm gonna be using I use here like something called Whisper Flow, I think. I'm gonna be like explaining everything in audio to it, and it's gonna be like writing everything. Okay, I want to build an application like the one found in this picture. And I want this application to be, like, it's a voice-to-face agent. We will be like pressing Control plus Win key on Windows to be able to speak in speech and voice, basically. And we want the LLM to take our requests and respond to them. And the LLM will have like some tools enabling it to like control the PC and maybe search the web. So let's have this transform. Okay. Okay. And based on the results, it will be responding to us after it have consumed all the results. Basically, for the LLM, we will be like we will be either like using on-prem LLMs, or we will be using like Groq for providing the LLM, or like maybe using other providers. Like just suggest to us what's the best way to go about this, and also like suggest to us what's the best STT to use. Basically, we need something free. And it's good if it's like something very lightweight to be able to have it working on our PC. And also we need some TTS components. We need all of this to support English, basically, and it's fine, like mainly English, I guess. So I just have like explained everything to the LLM. I'm gonna be asking it to like ask me questions if it needs to. Ask me questions you need to clarify anything. This is gonna be a desktop application. We can actually like review all of this to see if it has like converted our speech correctly or not. I'm gonna trust it, and let's have this go. Okay, okay, this is not correct. I'm gonna wait for it to like think and get back to us with the result. Okay, like it has asked me a few questions if I need the like to use a GPU or a CPU, and I have chosen a CPU. Basically, I'm like assuming that not everyone who's watching this tutorial is going to be having got GPU to run different components here. And for the LLM preference, it was like asking me if I need it like completely on-prem, which is like on my PC, to have the LLM hosted on my PC using Olama or something. And I said no, like I need to like if we were using like an on-prem LLM, we would use like a very big or a very good GPU, basically at least like 4 GB of RAM of VRAM. And this is not like very common with all of the people. And even if you have like such a GPU, which is not like super GPU, by the way, it continues to be like very slow if you are going to use any of the like maybe one of the quantized LLMs and so on. So I went with Groq. And for the other, for the third like question, it was asking me how the control plus win should behave. I told it like it's gonna be like hold and talk, where I'm gonna be like pressing control win. I'm gonna be talking, and when I release this talking is gonna be the end of the talk, and he needs to like take my talk, take my speech, and convert it to text, and then take the text to the LLM, and take the text from the LLM to the speech again to read it to the user. And it has like given me some options. I think this is not like the best options out there, but let's keep with it. Okay, it's saying okay, I'm gonna be using Groq for the whisper. It's gonna be like using faster whisper with the still small English. For the LLM, it's gonna be using Llama 3.3 70p. For the TTS, it's gonna be using Kokoro. Kokoro is going to be like running locally. For the ST, it's using an option which is from Groq, which is cloud. I think we can do something better than this. Okay. Okay. Can you do? Can you suggest other other STT models that work on GPU, work on CPU, or this is not gonna be feasible? Okay. Let's wait for it to get to us with the get back to us with the answer. It's starting to search the web. I think this is going to take some time, so let's give it some time. Okay, it went back to us with the answer. It's saying you can use transcribe 3 to 10 seconds clip after key releases. I think we can go with this option of Groq for now, and later on we can build on top of that. But let's get something working first. We can do more optimization. It's here saying Parquet Parquet. I've used Parquet V3 before. It's very fast and it's very usable, and it actually runs on the CPU. But let's make this very easy, and let's go with the options it gave us first. Okay, I'm gonna like wrap it up here. Okay, let's use STT from Groq, and let's use Llama 3.3 from Groq as well. By the way, like please don't confuse Groq with a K with Groq with Q, because the two are two different things. Groq with Q here is a platform. Groq with K is a model from X.com, which is a company Elon Musk is like is possessing. Okay. Okay, so we have ST from Groq. This is going to be Whisper. Let's go with to Groq. I have Groq here open. I have like some API keys. Let's go to the playground or something. Okay, we have here's a chat. Let's say hi for something. Hi for example. Okay. 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 Let's go with. Okay, it's saying here what is it saying? Per minute limit. Please reduce your message size. I don't know why it's saying that. So let's go to something else. Let's go to the llama. Let's say hi. Let's say hi. Okay. 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 It seems llama is responding fine. We have a lot of OpenAI models here with GPT OSS. Let's go with GPT 20B and let's say hi. Okay. For some reason, OpenAI models are not responding, but Llama is okay. Let's go with Llama 3.3. Let's say hi. Okay, hello. Okay, hello. It's nice to find in. Okay, nice. So we have Llama 3.3 70. We have, I think we have Whisper v3 large. Okay, hello this time. Hello, can you hear me? This time, hello, can you hear me? Okay, let's submit this one. Hello, can you hear me? Okay, it has transcribed, which is transcribed me well. So I think that's fine. Okay, we have like two models. We can use Groq, STM Groq, which is Whisper, large V3. Let's use Llama 3.3. I think we use Llama 3.3. Okay, Llama 70B. Okay, 70B from Groq. And for the TTS, let's see if Groq has some TTS here. Okay, I think for TTS you can use the one you proposed. So I need you to give me a plan that Claude Code can follow to achieve to implement this system, this desktop app end to end. I'm gonna leave it some time. It will be giving me the plan that Claude Code can use to have this working end to end. Okay. A lot of optimizations we can do here. A lot of them. Okay. By the way. But let's like take it step by step. Let's not like have the system like completely optimized from the beginning. Let's wait for it to get back to us. Okay, it has finished like writing the prompt for me. That's gonna be given to Claude Code. Okay, this is it. It's saying in what we'll be building. We'll have a hotkey, release, Whisper, large v3, Llama 3.3, center splitter, Kokoro, yes, Kokoro. Okay, I think it looks fine. I'm not gonna be actually, I'm gonna be here requirement driven. I'm gonna be giving this to Cloud Code right away. So I'm gonna click copy, and I'm gonna go to the folder. I'm gonna create here voice to voice agent. Okay, like new. Okay, new. Okay, voice to voice. Okay, I've created this folder here in my projects folder. I'm gonna open the terminal. Open terminal. Okay, usually I usually like write load dash skip dash permissions. I don't dash dangerously dash skip dash permissions. Okay, do you mean? Okay, I'm gonna take this copy. I'm gonna write load, then I'm gonna paste. Okay, now I have Claude. Let's see which model I'm using. It's using Opus 4.8. Let's like make it with Fable 5. Okay, I'm gonna give it the prompt. Not this one, the one I just copied. Let me copy it again. Control V. Okay. I'm gonna like hand it over the Groq API key. I'm gonna come here to Groq. I'm gonna create an API key. I'm gonna call it voice to voice, voice to voice. I will make expiration date for 7 days. Actually, you need to like make the expiration date like very large. Pick a date. Let's make it sorry, voice to voice, V to V. Okay. No, we can make it no expiration if you want to use it like for a very long time. But I'm gonna make it 7 days, just in case I forgot this API key. Okay, let's create this one. Okay, it's currently generating it. Okay, it has generated it. Let me copy it. Basically, you need to copy it and you need to save it in some place safe. Actually, I don't need to save it because I can recreate it again, and also gonna be saved here in like .env file. So, and here is the Groq API key. I'm gonna switch to plan mode. Switch to plan mode. You can press Shift Tab. Okay, Shift Tab. I'm gonna ask you to please plan this and go ahead and implement it. Let's wait for it to finish. By the way, I've brought myself like some snacks. I brought myself some popcorn. I'm gonna be like eating some popcorn while this is finishing because it's actually gonna take like really some time. Okay. So let's get back when it has actually like reached some good state. So uh, let's see. Okay, it went back very fast. So when the build a Windows Tray app in voice to voice, send Graph Whisper. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Everything looks fine. It's going to create like a virtual environment. So I think we have everything I need. Okay, let's go. Yes. Okay. Okay, this is very nice. I'm talking about the popcorn. It's very nice. And this is also very nice. That's what we're building. It's gonna take some time. Let me go do something useful and get back to it. Usually, while this thing is like working, I go to the settings, check my billing, and check my usage. Actually, my usage is very good. I'm actually subscribed to like the max plan, so uh, I have like really some good tokens to spend. So I'm safe here. So let's get back to the session, load session. Okay, it's actually working, still working. I expect it to take like some time, maybe 5 or 10 minutes until it finalizes this end to end. I've actually like chosen bypass permissions, which means I don't have to like accept any permissions. It's gonna like work on its own. Actually, this is very dangerous. Yeah, like you don't really need to do this bypass permission because it's actually very like dangerous. But because I know what I'm doing, so I basically give like cloud code this permission because I know what I do. Like, but if you are working on a live environment or like some production environment, you need to be careful to give such a permission to cloud. Okay, let's give it some time.
Celestial body that has been a subject of human curiosity for centuries. And
Okay.
one fun fact about it is that it has a face,
I
often
think
referred to as the man in the moon, which is actually a series
I
of
think it's
dark
actually
spots
like
and
currently
craters
trying
that resemble a human face. This unique
to
feature of the
test
moon
voice to
has been a
voice.
source of inspiration for many artists,
It's verifying
writers,
TTS,
and
as you can see here.
musicians throughout history, and continues
Uh,
to
I
capture the
think we are good.
imagination of people.
Just completed the testing of TTS. I think it's gonna be like delivering this end to end. But let's see. I have huge faith in this thing, and let's hope it doesn't fail me. I know it might look like it's hacking my laptop, but actually it's doing work. It's how it works. Okay. like we have as you can see, it has created all of these files, created a virtual environment. Actually, in a later, later set of videos, we'll be explaining everything, like what's the virtual environment, what's everything, basically. What's an LLM, how it works, what's speech text, what speech text models exist, what's whisper, what's everything. Uh, Actually, it has finished and it gave me this message. It's telling me it has verified some stuff. TTS, train mode, unit tests, Kokoro CPU sensors on this laptop is roughly real time, but variable. I'm just get anywhere from. It's telling me that Kokoro, which is our TTS model, has some issues working on the laptop. It's working, but slow. Uh, okay, I'm gonna tell it to start this app for me. Start the app for me. Okay, I'm gonna wait for it to start the app to be able to test it. I have another app which is like listening on Control plus Win. I'm gonna like stop this one. This one, Whisper Flow. Okay, I've exited. Okay, hello, can you hear me? Hello. Okay, okay. To launch the app. For it. Hello, hello. It's saying here that I need, I like if I hold Control, then I like catch my. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, let me Control Alt Space, Alt Space. Hello. Can you hear me? No. It's not working. I'm gonna tell it it's not working when I hold Control plus Win. Could you please investigate why is that and why it's not working? I expected this to work for to work from the first time, but it seems it's not working from the first time, and I need to like go back and forth. Okay, let's wait for it. Mm-hmm. Okay, it's saying here voice agent is idle. I think that's created this tray. I have other trays here. Okay. Um, okay, let me wait for it to finish. Okay, it seems it's investigating. So let's wait for it to finish. It looks like it's taking a bit of time to do this analysis. But I believe it's going to like reach what was the issue, and if not, I'm gonna be like having to do like one or two more iterations until this is fixed and working. But basically, uh, this is not like uh, how things work in real, like very big products. We like try to disclose firstly to have some initial investigation, then we do our own investigation to make sure this investigation is correct, because sometimes it actually hallucinates, like regardless of which like model you're using. Sometimes it's like prone to hallucination and so on. So let me wait for it to like get back to us with what could be the problem. And also I need to uh, like make something clear is that like this application has a lot of ways to improve it. As I've just said earlier, we can like switch LLMs, switch TDS, switch STT, like change also how the UI looks like, because actually the UI it has developed, I don't think it looks like a UI. It's actually a CLI application, which is not what I intended in the first place, but that's expected because I didn't like have like some so like anything in the prompt saying that I want this as a UI application and it needs to have like 1, 2, 3, and 4 of the features in any UI application and so on. So that's why we got this result. That we at the end we will have to like do this testing, and we can really build on top of this application later in other videos and so on. Okay, it looks like it has finished, and it actually started this this app, the Stray app. Let me test it, but first let's like explore what was wrong. It wasn't your setup. It was genuine bug in how the hotkey was registered. Because the combo consists entirely of the keys and the library's hotkey requires a normal key. So it was actually a bug how it was implemented, and it would fix it. Anyway, let's test it now. Okay, here this app is working. I'm gonna like press Control Win. I'm gonna say hello. How are you doing? Hello. Okay, I released.
I'm doing well, thanks for asking. It's nice to touch base with you. Is there something I can assist you with, or would you like to talk about your day?
Can you tell me more about the tools you have?
I have a few tools at my disposal to help you out. I can open various programs like Notepad, Calculator, or Chrome with the Open App tool. I also have a Run command tool that can lock your screen or take a screenshot. And if I need to look something up, I can use the Web Search tool to find the latest information on the internet. Would you like to know more about any of these tools specifically?
Okay, can you help me create? Not create. Can you open the Google Chrome for me? Okay, it has
I've
opened
opened
Google
Google
Chrome.
Chrome for you.
Okay, this is very revealing. Okay, nice. Okay, can you search online for what's like the result of the match of Egypt versus Australia?
Something went wrong talking to the language model.
Let me just write this again. Okay, could you please tell me what's the result of the match between Egypt and Australia? You can search online for that. Okay, started searching.
The result of the match between Egypt and Australia is a tie, with Egypt winning 4-2 on penalties after the game ended 1-1.
Okay, nice. I think we can literally uh, build on top of this application, or you can make it even more even more advanced and have the UI and everything. And I think this has been a really very good tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. It was a really very nice tutorial I built, and I hope you liked it. And I hope to meet you again in later tutorials where I explain everything about this project. Uh, like everything you need to know to be very confident of what you build, to understand what's an LLM, how it works, and what type of LLMs are there, and how they what's the cost of using an LLM, and also what's a TTS, what's an ST, and basically everything you need to know. What's like everything you need to know about Python and how to set it up and everything. I hope you liked it. This was me, Muhammad Ibrahim, and see you the next time. Thank you. Salam alaikum. Hi. As a follow-up to the main video, I'm gonna be asking Claude to develop a UI that's gonna be a smart UI where it's gonna be like more user-friendly than this CLI application that we built. Okay. Can you turn this app into a a nice UI with a good UX where we have a robot that's listening and talks. I can see some animation of talking like normal apps. Also, when listening, it has some animation of listening. But firstly, what you'll do, okay, I'm gonna leave it blank and let's wait for it to get to to get back to me with the plan, and then we will ask it to do the plan. Okay, it has given me something. Okay, it's saying floating widget. Okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with the recommended option. Yes, want a speech here, the robot answered. Okay, yes. Okay, let's submit this answer. Let's wait for it to surprise us. Okay, it has finished the plan and it's asking me uh, to approve. Okay, let's give it. Usually, when working on such applications, I usually like try to understand which libraries it's going to use and how it's basically going to build everything. But because this is actually a tutorial, we can actually build on top of that later. Use a better library if the one we use is not that good and so on. Okay, it looks like it has finished. Let me see. I think it's still writing code. I think it's testing something. Let's try to test, but actually we'll still like have some issues until it finishes here. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you just fine. How can I assist you today?
Can you please start like Microsoft Edge for me? Oh,
Something went wrong talking to the language model.
okay, this didn't work fine. Okay, I'm gonna try something else. Could you please start Google Chrome for me?
Something went wrong talking to the language model.
Okay, seems there are some issues. I'm gonna ask here. Can see some issues talking and some message saying something went wrong talking to the language model. Okay, let's try something else. Okay, could you please tell me what's found on my PC? I hope it doesn't say anything. Okay,
I've started the Edge and Chrome browsers for you. And now, I'll launch the File Explorer to show you the files on your PC. Something went wrong talking to the language model.
okay, it still has some issues. I think Claude is gonna here be like exploring the logs and seeing what issue has occurred. Help me out. Okay, seems it has finalized the issue. Actually, it's saying the issue is. In fact, I can see the issue. It's not what it says actually. The LLM Llama is actually not a very good model. If we have like something else, like maybe Claude or something, Claude like Claude Sonnet or something, would have been better. Or ChatGPT, GPT 4.1. I think this could have given us better accuracy. Uh, Maybe another model from GLM or something could have given us better accuracy. But anyway, we'll continue with this one, or Quen maybe have given us more better accuracy. But it's saying here it has lowered the temperature because like the temperature was one, and because was one, uh, the LLM was like giving wrong syntax, and some issues with streaming and history hygiene and so on. So let's try again. Let's ask it to restart the app. Let's restart the app for me. Okay, I asked it to restart the app so I can try this again. I'm gonna quit here. I think it's this one. Okay, let's wait for it to restart the app. Okay. Hello, can you hear me? Could you please start Google Chrome for me?
I can hear you just fine. Something went wrong talking to the...
Okay, can you please start Microsoft Edge for me?
I had trouble
Still
doing
has
that with my
some issues.
tools. Could you rephrase?
Okay, now I'm gonna asking Anna. I'm gonna ask Kokoro to do a better job. Just try it again. Still the same issue. Could you please fix this issue and test this LLM tool calling using local script until is working fine. Do this test multiple times. What I basically just did is that I'm asking it to like before it gives me the final code, uh, it goes ahead and tests this multiple times before it gives it to me. Okay, I'm gonna hit enter and let's wait for it to finish. Okay, I have asked it to like switch the model. Basically, previously we were using like Llama 3.370B model, but actually it was not that good, and tried and asked it to like replace it with GPT 20B. Basically, it wanted to replace it with 120B GPT OSS, but this was like not working fine, so I asked it to switch to GPT OSS 20B. So let's try again. Okay. Hello, could you please start Google Chrome for me? Okay, it has done this
Got
well.
it, Chrome is up and running. Let me know what you'd like to do next.
Okay, could you please start Edge for me? Okay,
Sure thing, I've
done
reopened
this.
Edge for you.
Okay, could you please tell me what was the result of the match between Egypt and Australia?
I'm not sure which match you're referring to. Could you let me know the sport or the date?
Okay, like the last match of the World Cup, it happened like yesterday.
Which World Cup are you referring to, and when did the match take place?
Uh, I think if you search the internet, you will find the answer.
The match ended tied after extra time, then Egypt won 4-2 on penalties.
Okay, how did Mohamed Salah perform?
Could you clarify what you'd like to know about Mohamed Salah?
Okay, as you can see, guys, uh, it looks like it knows what it does. I think there is a lot of ways to improve this, and I think a lot will come. Thank you.